Hey y'all, this is Pat Buchanan. We've been talking about 3 ways that you can either move your knee off the plane of your leg or back onto your plane, onto the plane of the leg. So let me remind you what I mean by having your knee lined up on the plane of your leg, over your toes, knee over your toes, and the first 2 ways. All right. So we've been talking about the importance of having the knee on the plane of the leg, from the center of your hip joints, the center of your knees, down to the second toe of your foot or the tip of your shoe when you got your shoes on, okay? No matter which way your leg is pointing, you want your knee lined up in that plane so your knee is over your toes, right? So the first way I showed you was doing the importance of how the movement of the foot can influence the position of the knee. So now I'm shifting my weight to the outside of my foot, my knee goes to the outside, I shift my weight to the inside of the foot, knee comes to the inside. The second way I talked about it is using the muscles around your hip so that I can turn out from the hip and my knee goes out, turn in using my hip muscles, the knee drops in. The third way, combination 1 and 2 equals 3, right? So using the leg and foot muscles, the hip muscles to take my knee out or take my knee in. I am shifting to the outside of my foot and I'm turning out from the hip. I'm shifting to the inside of my foot and I'm using the muscles around my hip to take the knee in and out. So I'm working from both ends, from down at the ground level at the foot and up at the hip. All right? And together, working together, boom, lining up my knee. No matter whether I'm taking a step out in that direction, I can use support from the foot and the hip to get there. If I'm turned in, same thing. Support. My whole leg is working together to line up my knee on the plane of the leg, so that you reduce the risk of injury to the ligaments around your knee. You risk the wear and tear over time and throughout all stages of your active life. All right, I'm going to show you more about how you can develop these skills. So there's first that level of awareness of how you can do it and paying attention to that. And then there's strengthening your ability up here and throughout your body to be able to do it in a variety of situations. Take care.